Hello children! Today I'm gonna help you review your properties of addition. We are going to recall what is zero property of addition and what is order property of addition. Are you ready? Let's go! Alright, let us recall zero property of addition. In zero property of addition, it says that the sum of zero and any number is that number. Or we can say that any number added to zero will give you the same number. So for example, I have here two boxes. In box A, you can see there are dolls, and in box B, it's empty. How many dolls are in box A? Yes, there are 3 dolls. And in box B, there are none. So if we're gonna put this in an addition sentence, how will we do it? If we put the sets together, the addition sentence is 3 and 0 are 3. So imagine putting the things all together. You put box A and box B together in one big box. You put all the dolls in one big box and you get 3 dolls only because in box B, it's empty or it has nothing. Or we can also write it in addition sentence as 3 plus 0 is 3, or 0 plus 3 equals 3. So again, in zero property, let us remember that if we add any number to 0, the answer will give you the same number. So let us try it. Let's try to recall if we really understood the zero property of addition. I have here, let's try example 1. So in the first set, I have nothing. There's nothing there, or it's 0. And in the second set, I have 4 cherries. So if we put it in addition sentence, we have 0 plus 4 equal to, correct, it's equals to 4. So if you put 0 or nothing together with 4, you'll have 4 all together. Good job, children. Let's go to another example. Alright, let's go to this another example. In the first set, I have 6 strawberries. And in the second set, I have 0 or nothing. If we put it in an addition sentence, we can write it as 6 plus 0. And what is the answer of that? 6 plus 0 is equals to? Yes, you are correct. It is 6. So again, let's remember when we add anything to 0, the answer will always be the same number or the number that we add to 0. Now let's go to order property of addition. This property can also be called commutative property of addition. It says that changing the order of addends does not change the sum. So let's see an example of it. Now let's check this example out. In set A, I have in the first box 6 strawberries, and in the second box I have 4 cherries. And if we add them all together, how many will we have? Yes, you are correct. We will have 10 fruits all together. And if we write it in addition sentence, we're going to have 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. Now, what if we follow the order property of addition and we change the position of the two addends? We're going to have in set B, in the first box we have 4 cherries, and in the second box we have 6 strawberries. Now, how many fruits do we have all together? Correct, it's still 10. So if we write it in addition sentence, it can be written as 4 plus 6 is equals to 10. Now look at it carefully. The two pairs of numbers, they mean the same. So even if you change the position of 6 and 4 and mix it together and make it 4 plus 6, your sum will always be the same. Now let's try to answer if you really understood the meaning of order property of addition. So I have here set A and set B. In set A, I have 1 onion plus 3 garlics. How many do I have altogether? Correct, there are 4. And if we change the position of the addends, we're going to change it to 3 plus 1. What is our sum? Correct, it's still 4. Good job. Now let's try another example. I have my addends here in set A, 9 plus 5. How many will I have? 9 plus 5 is equals to 14. Very good. And if we change the position of the addends, we make it 5 plus 9. The sum will still be correct. It will still be 14. Very good, children. Now you know and recall what is zero property and order property of addition. But you have to remember that the number 0, it means nothing. It shows an empty set. And the sum of 0 and any number is the number. And this is what we call the zero property of addition. And one more thing, we have to remember that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. And this is what we call the commutative property of addition, or for us to better recall it, order property of addition. Great job, children. Now that you've recalled what is zero property of addition and order property of addition, you're ready to move on to the next video, which is the grouping property of addition. See you there. Bye-bye.